Imagine holding a tiny, lifeless seed in your hand. It seems dormant, almost dead. But inside, it's alive, calculating, and waiting for the perfect moment to awaken. Some seeds can wait not just years, but centuries, even millennia, to sprout. But how do they know when it's time? It turns out, seeds aren't just passive. Inside each seed is a decision-making center, a cluster of specialized cells located near the root tip. These cells act like tiny weather stations, constantly analyzing environmental signals. When the weather warms, the seed faces a choice: do I grow or do I wait? It all comes down to the balance between two hormones, abscisic acid, ABA, the sleep hormone, and gibberellic acid, G, the wake-up hormone. They fight inside the seed, with ABA dominating in cold conditions and GA increasing as the temperature rises. Whichever wins decides the seed's fate. For some seeds, warmth alone isn't enough. They wait for something far more extreme: fire. In Australia, many wildflower species remain dormant until a wildfire passes through. It's not the heat but the smoke that triggers germination. Scientists discovered that a specific molecule in smoke, called keratin, stimulates the production of gibberellic acid, waking the seeds from dormancy. Some seeds can outlast civilizations. In 2012, scientists in Siberia revived a plant from a seed that had been frozen for 32,000 years. These seeds had been buried by prehistoric ground squirrels and frozen for millennia. Yet, once thawed and given water, they sprouted like they'd only been asleep for a season. But what happens when nature sends false signals? A few warm days in winter could trick seeds into sprouting, only to be killed by frost. So, how do they avoid this trap? Seeds are patient. They don't sprout after one warm day, they count. Only after several consecutive warm days will they lower ABA levels and activate growth genes. This thermal memory prevents premature sprouting. How long can a seed survive? It depends on the species and environment. Some seeds can remain viable for years, others for thousands. Seeds survive by entering a state of suspended animation, reducing their metabolism to almost nothing. It's like nature's version of cryosleep. Lotus seed, 1,300 years old, found in a dry lakebed in China and successfully germinated. Date palm, 2,000 years old, revived from seeds found in ancient Judean ruins. Silene stenophylla, 32,000 years old, the oldest known revived seed. Seeds are more than just carriers of life. They are time travelers, waiting patiently for the right moment to thrive. Whether it's a warm spring, a raging fire, or the end of an ice age, seeds will endure. Nature never rushes, yet everything is accomplished. Next time you see a tiny seed, remember, it's not just a promise of life. It's a survivor, an adventurer, and a testament to nature's patience. What other secrets might they hold? Like, share, and subscribe for more wonders of nature.